Have you ever heard of a real estate video with sound effects made from people's mouths? We're gonna use a little bit of magic here. It's not just gonna be our straight voice at the end. You're not gonna be hearing us going whoosh. It could be bad. It could be that bad, but we're gonna hope it's not. All right, so this is the video we're gonna be working on. It was super good, so let's hope we're good too. It's already posted. You can go check it out on our Instagram and Facebook and soon website. We're not singing. We're just doing sound effects here. All right.
Just 5 minutes from skiing.
All right, so the first one we need is a whoosh sound, and I'll let AJ take this one.
I'm thinking it's more of like a whoosh. Okay, so our high-tech recording devices here. Oh.
And at the end, we're going to show the results, so make sure to stick around.
Rarely come on the market.
All right, I'm going to do this next one. It's like a deeper whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, here it is.
Ooh.
A little bit of airy, but we'll make it work. So we need these bass sounds right here. Let's try it. Let's try the table. Okay. High-tech sound device. Need. It's gonna need some cinematicing.
Truly something special.
Oh, I want that one.
Can you snap? Okay.
I got the whistle in there too.
We'll use it.
Truly something special.
The whistle, that's an owl.
Log home. It's truly something special.
I think that was the song.
Know.
I think that was the
What?
song. I think that was the song.
That's not part of the song.
Special.
I think it was good.
I kind of like that. That was pretty. That was better than I do. I'm not even gonna try.